Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So every time I review a Huawei product, the first question that a lot of people ask me is whether or not I could live without the inclusion of Google services on a day-to-day basis, and also if Huawei's range of devices like the new P40 series and the MatePad Pro tablet and the other offerings could be used. Well, check out this cute little video that I did not create but I found, and I've asked the permission to share this video here on YouTube, where I'll answer all your questions that you have about Huawei's new AppGallery.
want 5 years to see.
Cute video, right? So guys, as usual, if you guys have any questions to ask, feel free to ask me at the comment section below. And also I have a link down at the description below where you guys can check out all the newly released devices from Huawei, as there are tons of free gifts and offers available over there. With this, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.